So in this video, I'm going to share how to double your account like every day with free indicators. Okay, and this will be free. You can do it on your phone, which I will show proof from my last Friday. And this is today is when I'm making the video. It's Sunday, so this is just last Friday I made this profit. So I will show you this proof, and you can watch the proof, and if you are interested, then watch the video till the end, because I will be telling you how to double your account every day with very low balance, like you have seen other YouTubers do, like $100 double to $300, 200, or double any amount. So in this video I will be sharing how to do it, and this will be in parts because it will take some time for me to explain everything. In this video I will tell you the exact strategy, and in the next video I will be telling you how to get that strategy working. Like you can every day get the alerts on your phone when to place trade, because it will be kind of more automatic. But in this video I will be sharing you what is the strategy. So if you want to see the proof, this is done on a real account. So you can see this is my real account, and you can see plus floating more than $300, and you can see it's a Exness account. And this trick will work on a broker which has more than 1000 leverage, like 1:1000 leverage. So Exness will be the best broker, and this spread account that I use was a pro spread account, and you can see it's a live account. $200 turned to $400 almost in less than 15 minutes. I was just checking in 15 minutes, and yeah, you can see in the video I will be using the same this indicators that I will show how to apply and how to get the signals, because I was exactly right. When the market was falling, I knew the market will fall. This entire if you want to know, this entire candles, I knew the market will fall because of my indicators, and it was a perfect entry, which I will show how to get it. So just watch the video till the end, and if you like this video, then you can like and subscribe. And you can see I'm directly on my video, I'm showing you the proof of my trade, and in the next videos I will show even more proof. Don't worry, I'm waiting for a signal. I will also show you a signal which is forming on a pair USDCAD in the end of the video, how to trade. So these are the pairs that you should keep. You should not keep Bitcoin. I don't trade on Bitcoin, it's just open, but you can remove it. But these are the pairs that you should keep. So these are the pairs that you can use on EURUSD, GBPUSD, AUDUSD, NZDUSD, and USDCAD. I don't prefer JPY pairs right now. The market is not suitable for this, but you can try on JPY pairs because it has a lot of movement right now. So if you can try it, you can try it on JPY pairs, but these are the pairs that I like. EURUSD is the favorite for this strategy. So for this strategy, these are the indicators you need to place. Just go to the this button. You can see the F button or something like this. In here you will find these options. So my MACD settings, these are the settings you need to copy everything. 64, slow image 128, MACD SMA is 9, and close pixel is 4, and you can choose any color. I'm having this color, you can notice, and this is the color I'm using for my signal. That's all, nothing levels. Okay, after that, on the main chart you have to place moving average, which is 100, exponential, close, 4 pixel, and any color. I like blue because it's easier to see, and parabolic SAR, and in this you need to use 0.01, maximum is 0.1, and pixel is 4. You can use any pixel, just it should be visible. And okay, it's done. So in here, how to get this strategy working, it's very simple. Yeah, you should use this strategy only on 15 and 5 minutes. 15 minutes is for knowing the trend is very strong. If the trend is strong in your direction, then only change to 5 minutes to find a good entry. Okay, so whenever this is the moving average, you can see this blue line. Okay, I will try to mark it. This blue line, you can see this is the moving average. So whenever the like candles are below the moving average, it is a sell order. Okay, you should look for a sell order, and whenever it's above the 15 minutes candle and the moving average is above the 15 minutes candle, then you should look for a buy order. Okay, that's all. So first of all, you should look for the market trend from 15 minutes if the market is going buy or sell, and after that we will use the other indicators for confirmation. Okay, so if it's below the market, you can see in here. So yesterday's trade on Friday, what trade I placed was after this. You can see this big dump. Before that also, like 11 p.m, 11:30, and you can see in here the market was very downwards. Okay, all this while market was very downwards, mostly staying below the moving average. So this is where I placed my trades on Friday. So on 15 minutes, once you know the market is going downwards and the parabolic, which is this things, the dots, if it prints above the candles, then it's a sell order. Okay, it's a sell. And if it prints below the candle, then it's a buy. Remember this factor. And if the this is called MACD. So if it is printing above the candles like this way, in this way, the market has a buy trend. And if it's printing downwards now, then it's going on a sell trend. Remember these things. Okay, because this is very common, you should know this thing of this indicator, which is, this indicator is very basic. Okay, so in here you can see 15 minutes is forming very big like candles downwards. And now just go back to 5 minutes and you are noticing that the MACD is going down. So just wait for this candle. You can see in here these candles are going very down. Now whenever it's below the moving average, you can see in here it's below the moving average. So this is the perfect place to place trades. Okay, this is the perfect place, like you can see. But when should you place the trade? That's the biggest question. So now you know 15 minutes is going down. I showed you how the moving average is going down and the market is already down. So you wait for this candles. Okay, after the 15 minutes, don't place trades on this candles because it has high dumps, like it can go back up very easily. So don't place on here. What you have to do is you have to wait for the candles to print more. And you can see in here this is the perfect place to place trades. You have to wait for this buy trades to be gone, like this parabolic should be gone and it should be printing the first parabolic of sell trade. So first parabolic of sell trade on 15 minutes, 5 minutes candle, sorry, 5 minutes, remember, not on 15. And also you should see that there should be the first parabolic when you should place the trade on the first parabolic, which is this candle. Okay, you can see this candle. And also you should notice that the MACD should be facing the market. So you can see the market has already gone down and it's facing downwards and the market is going very down, like so much power of the MACD like going downwards. So if you place the trade on here, like in here on this candle, so your stop loss should be this candle. Okay, the first candle, like before the first parabolic. Okay, you should place the stop loss on here and your take profit should be around 7 to 12 pips. Okay, pips mean how much the market is going downwards, you know, pips, how much it is that. So you can see the market was around 6.8, in here I think it was around 6.8920 only, and it went up to 760. So this is where I booked my profit at that day. And if you count that, I will use a calculator. So you can count that, like this is basic, this is like basic calculation. I'm just like roughly calculating. So this will be the profit that I could have made at that day. So I didn't trail up to here, I only booked my profit after 80 pips, like 8 pips. Okay, like 80 points, and 160 is like 16 pips. So we don't need to trail that long because the market can go back. You can see after this the market is going back, so it's better to just close the trade when it's above 7 to 12 pips in profit. So your take profit should be 7 to 12 pips and stop loss should be 3 pips. Okay, remember 3 pips is the maximum you should have as a stop loss, otherwise your account will like blow. Don't place SL more than 3 pips and the take profit should be 7 to 12 pips. That's all the you can get on this strategy. Okay, and that's enough for doubling your account, because if you see that video that I showed, I will be placing a lot of trades. So this is how you should place a sell trade. For a buy trade it will be like similar like this. As you can see, this market went up in here. If we see by a basic form factor, you can see this is a good area to place a buy trade, and yeah, you can book profit on this candles when the last parabolic is forming. And you can see the market is about to reverse very high, so just book the profit very fast. And this will be not a big profit, but yeah, on buy right now when I'm making the video, it is not giving that much profit, so just wait for some sell trades because it will be best. And also the MACD was not that big like the sell order. Okay, so MACD was just forming. Like also whenever it's just changing over, don't place trades immediately like you are thinking that market will keep on going up. No, you have to wait for the first parabolic to form. And also notice that the MACD is already like 3-4 candles printed. Remember, 3-4 candles printed in here, like a candlestick kind of thing. It should be printed like this stick formation. Okay, that's all. This is very important. You should always see that this thing is formed parabolic. So for the next part, on the next video, I will show you how to use this thing which I am making right now. This is on my MT4, and in here I have made a like a alert system. So whenever there's a parabolic forming on the next candle, it will give me alert on my phone. So this will be a very good thing. On the next videos I will explain how to do that. And also if you want to know a signal when I'm making the video, I think I will post it on the morning. So I will be already taking a trade on Sunday, which is tomorrow on 24th. I am seeing a very high chance of a signal forming. As you can see in here, yeah, USD CAD is going downwards very strong, and also on 15 minutes parabolic is already formed and it's very strong. It's about to form a downwards again because it's very strong resistance. So let's wait for the chart to show even more parabolic downwards, because the MACD is not that strong. But on 5 minutes candle you can see it's very strong, like almost down to the end. Okay, it's already facing downwards. So yeah, USD CAD is showing a high potential and it already went past the moving average and it's already printing more parabolic. So I will wait for this parabolics to form, and on the next parabolics I will do it when the market is very downwards. I think USD CAD will be giving a signal. So when I'm posting the video, you can place a trade for USD CAD by applying this indicator, which is free. You can just apply as I've told. So thanks for watching. On my next part I will show you how to set up alerts on your MT4 platform, so you can get alerts when to place the trade. It will be not very automatic, you still need to monitor. When you get the alert, you need to be ready to place the trade. So thanks for watching till here. See you on my next videos. If you have any more question, you can ask me on WhatsApp. And for this alert system, you should be on my Exness referral, so you can join my Exness broker from my referral link, which is given in the description. So thanks for watching. See you in my next videos. Till then, bye.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold, you might need a sweater too. I'ma put it right on ya.